Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is -3 to the power of k, this equals 3. We are solving for the value of k that satisfies this equation. Now, as usual, the first step will be to express -3 as product of -1 times 3, in which we are going to insert it right here. We have -1 times 3 raised to the power of k, and this equals 3. Now remember, if you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So we apply this identity here. We have -1 power k times 3 power k, and this equals 3. Now at this point, we can consider this identity. We have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0. We move this 1 over here. We have e power I times pi. This equals -1. That means -1 is the same thing as e power I times pi. We are going to replace it right here. So this place here, we are going to have e power I times pi raised to the power of k times 3 raised to the power of k, and this equals 3. So the next step we are going to take will be, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. We apply this identity here. We are going to multiply this exponent. So we are going to have e power I times pi times k times 3 power k, and this equals 3. So at this particular point in time, we can apply natural log. We have natural log of e power I times pi times k times 3 power k equals natural log of 3. So right now, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b, meaning that if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So we apply this right here. This is our a, this is our b. So we are going to have natural log of e power I times pi times k plus natural log of 3 power k equals natural log of 3. Remember, we have natural log of 3 there. Then another property of logarithm, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So this will come behind this, and also this will come behind this. That means we are going to have I times pi times k times natural log of e plus k times natural log of 3 equals natural log of 3. So natural log cancels e, we have I times pi times k plus k times natural log of 3 equals natural log of 3. There's k here, we can factor that out. We have k times I times pi plus natural log of 3 equals natural log of 3. This point, I can isolate the k by dividing this by I times pi plus natural log of 3. I divide this by I times pi plus natural log of 3. This cancel this. I have just k here. So I have k equals, this is natural log of 3 divided by I times pi plus natural log of 3. So this is our answer based on the particular method. So let's consider this other approach. -3 to the power of k equals 3. So I still consider this -3 as -1 times 3. I have -1 times 3 raised to the power of k equals 3. Then I can apply natural log. That means I'm going to have natural log of -1 times 3, or let me make use of log. You can make use of log or natural log depending on the one you want to use. Okay, let's make use of natural log equals natural log of 3. So right now, remember there's -1 here. If you have square root of -1, this equals I. So if I raise this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2, this cancel this, I have -1 equals I power 2. So I'm going to replace this with I power 2. So that means I will simply have natural log of I power 2 times 3 raised to the power of k equals natural log of 3. So what happens is that this k will come behind this. Remember, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So this comes behind this. We have k times natural log of I power 2 times 3 equals natural log of 3. So this also is our a, this is b. If you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. Applying that here, we are simply going to have this is k times this is natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3 equals natural log of 3. So right now, I want to isolate k. I divide this by natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3. And I divide this by natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3. This cancel this. So what I have left is just my k equals natural log of 3 divided by natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3. Now that is not all. If you have log of a power b, this equals b times log a. So natural log of I power 2 equals 2 times natural log of I. The 2 will come behind this. So what we are going to have is simply k equals natural log of 3 divided by 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 3. So this becomes the answer based on this particular method. So any method you want to use, you're going to have the same thing. This natural log of 3 divided by I times I plus natural log of 3. This natural log of 3 divided by 2 times ln I plus natural log of 3. Remember, 2 natural log of I is the same thing as I times pi. So they are both the same, this and this. So that's why what we have here is I times pi here is the same as what we have here, 2 times natural log of I. So that's why these two answers are the same. Natural log of 3 divided by 2 natural log of I plus natural log of 3 is the same as this, depending on the method you want to use. So guys, this is it, and this is how you can easily solve these exponential problems step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you, and see you soon.